Welcome to this company, our engineering company. This is the fabrication of the casing. This is how the measurement started. Báyìí la ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ wíwọ̀n measurement àwọn iron sheet tá fi ń ṣe body generator yìí. So now after measuring it, let's go to the machine that we used to cut it. That's the sheet cutter machine. Machine yìí ni a fi ń gé àwọn plates yìí. So the two operator that will operate this machine has draw the measurement, and they will put it on the machine and set it on the measurement and press the pedal to cut the metal sheet. So wọ́n ti gbé sí ojú ìlà tí wọ́n fà sí, wọ́n ti tẹ pedal ẹ̀rẹ̀ bó ti gé. So he has cut the metal sheet as shown in the video. So they have rotated the plate to cut the width of the shape they need, and they have pressed the pedal. It has cut it as shown in the video. So by ẹ jẹ́ kí a lọ kó àwọn plates that ti gé. Let's go and we have carried those plates we have cut. Now this is the sheet bender. This machine is the sheet bender. It's the one bending the sheet of the sheet plate we want to bend in the fabrication of the generator housing. Ibi la ti ń bend àwọn plate ọ̀hún. So you can see as the machine keep bending the plate. So it's semi-automatic sheet bender. So by setting it on the measurement and by pressing the pedal, the sheet bender bend the plate easily as shown in the video. So bí wọ́n ti ṣe ń gbé sí ojú ibi tí wọ́n fẹ́ kó bend lójú ìlà tí wọ́n ti fà sí ara ẹ̀, tá bá ti tẹ pedal kíákíá ní àìfàkókò ṣòfò ní machine yìí ń bend ẹ̀. So that is how we bend all of them. You can see we have successfully bent all the plates needed for the body fabrication. Now let's miter the edge for the top cover to sit conveniently with each other. You can see they have matched each other, both the top cover and the bottom cover. So the fabrication process go on smoothly. So we need to use grinding machine to cut that shape for the top cover to sit conveniently. So gbogbo wọn ti bára wọn dọ́gba láì fi àkókò ṣòfò báyìí. Nínú ilé iṣẹ́ ibi tá wà yìí, nínú ilé iṣẹ́ wa yìí, nínú factory wa yìí, ibẹ̀ ni a ó ti jó gbogbo àwọn body yìí papọ̀ mọ́ra wọn. In this our factory here, this is where we will weld all the housing together to make them firm with each other. So this particular section, when we are taking this welding, is midnight. So this time is different from that time we are doing the body bending, the sheet bending and the sheet cutting. That time is daytime, while this time is night. So you can see that in this video we are joining we are welding the body together on a gradual process. Báyìí ni a ti ṣe ń jó àwọn body náà papọ̀ ní ṣísẹ̀ntẹ̀lé kí iṣẹ́ náà kí gbogbo kó wá lè dúró lápapọ̀. So that is the bottom cover. We want to weld the bottom cover together. For the bottom cover to sit with the total body comfortably. So So in the video you will see the fabrication of this body till the end, and you will see the complete generator after the total finishing of the generator, how we test run it. So furthermore, this fabrication of the body takes some time from start to finish. So let me leave you to enjoy the video till the end. Keep watching. Basically now we want to test run it. Ẹ jẹ́ ká test ẹ̀ wò nígbà tí ó jẹ́ pé a ti parí ẹ̀. So we have done the engine. Sorry for not showing you how we do it. Ẹ má bínú pé a fi engine yẹn hàn yín bá ṣe láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. It's just to keep our work secret, láti fi pàṣẹ iṣẹ́ wa mọ́ ni. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to power it on now. That's two sockets by the side. That's where we connected the socket on that floor too. So bí a ṣe palẹ̀kùn yẹn dé, a ti tẹ green button yẹn. We have pressed that green button and it has supplied power. So now I want to find something to shock the door, to let the door remain closed. So mo lọ mú nǹkan, mo fẹ́ fi ti ilẹ̀kùn yẹn, kí mo fi hook ilẹ̀kùn yẹn kó fi dúró. So now let us plug the welding machine to that socket that we have already connected to the body of the generator. So we have plugged the welding machine now. Àti plug the welding machine yẹn sí ara socket tí a ti connect mọ́ ara generator yìí. The welding machine has already power on. Now let us just carry out some welding on this little sheet of plate that is available at the moment. Keep watching. So you can see that it's powered the welding machine successfully. As you have all know that the current drawn by welding machine is very high. Small generator cannot power welding machine. Now let us use this grinding machine to cut this metal plate that we want to use to seal the front cover of the generator. Àwọn fi grinding machine yìí gé páànù pẹlẹbẹ èyí tí a fẹ́ fi lẹ̀ iwájú generator yìí mọ́ra wọn ní èyí tí ó fi lẹ̀ mọ́ra wọn pa dáadáa tí ó fi ní síjábọ́ lára èyí tó jẹ́ ìparí iṣẹ́ náà. Now we are using this drilling machine to drill hole on the small metal sheet that we just cut with the grinding machine, which is one of the materials that is needed to be used to seal the front of the fuelless generator. Let us put the small metal sheet on this bench and use the drilling machine to drill it. So as we are drill the metal sheet, now let us size it to see if it has matched what we want to use it for. Nínú ìgbà tá a ti fi wọ́n, tá a ti rí wípé ó ṣe òdiwọ̀n nǹkan tá a fẹ́ lò fún. Ní báyìí a wá lu ihò náà sí ara front cover. We will drill the hole to the front cover of the generator for them to flush with each other, so that by the time you want to use rivet pin to pin it, two of them will match each other. So now we have drilled the first hole and that is the second hole. That's amazing. So we are through with the two hole we want to drill on the surface of the generator. So now let us use our rivet pin to pin the plate, the small metal sheet that is the coupler. So let us use the drilling machine to create some correction. There is an additional hole we have put on that metal sheet. So now let us paint it. let us paint it as we have sprayed it to give them the same look, the same color, the same appearance. Next thing is to use our reference pen and paint it. So we have put our reference pen. Bá a ti ṣe fi reference pen wá sí, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ mú reference plier. Let's take our reference plier and use it to rivet the front cover of the generator to the body of the generator, because in this product we are not giving our customer access to open and see what is inside, because this generator is under work secret. It's under work secret. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Synagogue Church of All Nations. This is the church where God answered the prayer of His people. This church has extended blessing to the life of many people. It's a very great ministry that has impacted many people's life. Many prayers has been answered in this church, and many bad situation has been turned to good situation through the prayer in this church. This church has empowered a lot of people. It is uncountable. As you can see it on Emmanuel TV, the God is real, and the power of God in the Synagogue Church of All Nations is going forward. His power is moving forward in this great ministry. Welcome into the canteen that is inside the church compound. This is our fuelless generator. This is where we install it. That terminal is where the solar panel will be connected to. The two terminal is indicated in red and black to identify the positive and the negative terminal. So that cable is the two cable coming from the rooftop from the solar panel. That's the solar panel output. So we put cable lock as the mouth of the wire. Àfi cable lock sí orí wire yẹn, sórí wire méjèèjì, and we will indicate the thing by using our multimeter to confirm the polarity. So we have confirmed the polarity. That one is the negative. We use sellotape to indicate the negative and connect it to the terminal on the body of the solar panel of the fuelless generator. So we have connected this. Now we need to remove the red wire to reconfirm the polarity, to do polarity reconfirmation to know whether there is no mistake. Now that we have confirmed that there is no mistake, we have connected it permanently, and the performance keep on going. So now we use seal cover to cover it. So this is the output and the input socket. Automatic changeover is inside. Now by pressing that green button, it has supply power.